Welcome friends, welcome to our website allinallonlinejobs.com. Now let's see March month payment proof. I'll first inform you that this is our main website allinallonlinejobs.com, and this is our YouTube channel. This is our forum. You can register here and you can get training and support from this forum. If you register, you can see the private videos from this corner. Also, we have started a Telegram channel for your instant support. We have actively posted our videos in this Telegram channel. You can join with our Telegram channel for instant doubt clarification and more supports. We have given the Telegram link on this description. Okay, now let's start from Amazon payment vouchers. We have received 3 vouchers, 1500 plus 3000 on 18th March up to 18th March 3000 plus 3600. Overall we have received 3600 Amazon gift card. This is another payment method, Skrill. This month we have received only $20 for Skrill accounts, and $20 means 1600. $1 is equal to 80 rupees and above. So 1600 we have received in Skrill account. So 3600 from Amazon plus 1600 from Skrill. Overall 5200. Now let's see our PayPal payment proofs. We have received in 11th March 2000 rupees something, and 18th March another 2000 something. Overall 4100. So 5200 plus 4100 equal to 9300. Additionally, we have received email gift from Flipkart gift vouchers. We have received a Flipkart gift voucher into our email, value 500 rupees, including Flipkart gift vouchers. Overall, we have received 9800, almost 10,000 rupees for the month of March 2025. What is our target? Our target is 10,000 per month. So almost we have reached our target in this month. We will try to more active in our job in the coming months. I have only spent 2 to 3 hours every day for this income. I will try to focus more attention on this job. So follow our websites, Telegram, YouTube channel, and make money online for your lifetime without any investment. Thank you so much.